Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of this shortened week. We're going to dive into an area of a different shape now. We're going to be talking about area of parallelograms and trapezoids. So that's going to be on page 93 and 94. So 94 is going to be our note page and 93 will be our practice. Today we're just going to do a quick review of area of squares and rectangles. And one thing I want to review with you guys real fast is what is the definition of a square versus a rectangle, okay? So a square, the definition is it has 4 equal sides, and you see this when you have lines going through it. This means that this side length of this shape, and let me zoom in, is the same as this side length, is the same as this side length, is the same as this side length. So we say 4 equal sides, and they have to have 4 right angles. So this is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and this is a right angle. Okay, so you would then have 4 right angles. Okay, and I'm going to abbreviate it that way. Okay, on a rectangle, the definition is you have 2 different sides. So these 2 sides are the same length, and these 2 sides are the same length, and you still have those 4 right angles, okay? So we still have 4 right angles, and then 2 same side, and then 2 same side. Oops. Okay. And just to review what the area is for, or how do I find the area of a rectangle and a square? So I need to find area, we do what? Say it with me now. Base times height. Awesome, if you got that. Okay, so we do base times height. Okay, so example, let's just do 2 quick examples. If I do the ones from above, I can do, let's say I know that this is 2 inches. Then I know that this is also 2 inches because I know, like I said up here, the length of this side is the same as this side. So this is also 2 inches, okay? And because I know that this is a right angle, I know that I can just count up those 2 squares. So I can either do I can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, or I can multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. And I need to remember that this is a square, so I'm going to do square inches. Okay, let's do our rectangle real fast. So I know that the length of this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll say 4 centimeters. And again, because this is a right angle, it makes it easy, and I know that the height of this is going to be 1, 2. So this is 2 centimeters. Oops, I'm going to just do a quick split so that doesn't confuse me later. Okay, so now I can multiply 2 times 4, and that's going to equal, I can either just count or I can multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I'm doing square, so I'm going to have square centimeters. So that is how we find the area of those 2 shapes. Okay, so that's just a quick review. We're going to need that when we get into the area of parallelograms and trapezoids. So instead of giving you some practice problems in your INB today, what you're going to do is you're just going to pop on over to IXL, and there is some practice over there, a practice link on finding the area of rectangles and squares. So go practice those, get squared away. You like that pun there? And then come back tomorrow and we'll talk about the area of a parallelogram and the area of a trapezoid. All right, see you later. Bye.